Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TikTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on TikTok. Firstly, open your TikTok account. After that, open your profile. You'll see TikTok playlist on the bottom of your TikTok studio. If you don't find it here, just click on this three line and click on the settings. Now from here, scroll all the way down to report a problem and click on Feed and Playback and click on Playing Videos. Click on Other. After that, the problem has not been resolved, so click on No and your feedback will be sent to TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.